Somebody is trying to steal that man's wallet.
I want to buy something nice to wear at the party tonight.
I'm bored. I'd like to go somewhere interesting.
Has anybody seen anything interesting at the cinema lately?
Well, I haven't been anywhere for weeks.
There is nobody at the pool at the moment. There isn't anybody at the pool at the moment.
There is nothing in the room. There isn't anything in the room.
Nowhere in the world can you find such an amazing place as Venice. Not anywhere in the world can you find such an amazing place as Venice.
Everybody in the audience is enjoying the play.
I hope everything will be ready for tonight's birthday party and that everyone will have a great time.
There are flowers everywhere in the countryside in spring.